I've been on record also. I've been in touch with Mr. Digvijay Singh. पहले सा गेली, they were not ready to appoint. I had only told them तुमचं एक CLP leader कोणतं appoint करा, announce करा आणि government formationाक तुम्ही stake करा म्हणून. Till next evening, I think myself and Vijay were together. आणि काहीच त्यांच्याकडे ज्यांना डिसिजन जायना आले. Somebody was talking about ballot boxes. Ballotaचा result was a joke. हे सगळे जण जाऊंक लागले. Equations of what Vijay and Congress were not coming together. I was there. There was nobody actually wanting to form the government from the Congress side. आज जे लोक वेगळे वेगळे इश्यू काढून सोदतात पळय त्या लोकांनी पहिला चिंतन बैठक करपाची गरज आसा की 17 जावन आणि म्हाका 18 सुद्दां धरिल्लो 30 जाण हाडपाक कित्याक जमले ना काय म्हणून बिकॉज बेसिक इगोज एंड सेल्फ अबाउट द पार्टी जेन्ना मनीस चिंतपाक लागता दॅट पार्टी गोज फॉर अ कॉलॅप्स एंड आयदर वे 3 or 4 Congress people in the meantime were negotiating to move out. So Congress either way couldn't be seen to form a government. Kelly Sudala chief minister couldn't, they were not able to decide in 2 days in spite of leaders from Delhi coming down. So when you don't find any sort of a stability within them, forget everything else. How can we trust upon them कि ते एक stable government दितले म्हणून? Toppling of government should have started immediately. Right? कि तांकां दिसता खंय ना खंय रोवना नाल्यार आनी कोणा तरी they have let them down. But over a time when they see that is what I say, time will tell what decisions we have taken. Like in my constituency per se, I don't have much.
You are saying the political reality was quite different from the electoral reality.
Political reality which turned out in those 2 days was very different from the electoral sentiments. So we had to take a decision. It was tough. But I can only clearly say that in time to come, this government delivering will ensure that what issues we had raised are delivered.
फॉर नाव तुम्ही म्हणतात की हो जरी मांडवीचो ब्रिज अंडर कन्स्ट्रक्शन उरलो तरी परवरी आणि पणजे मदीं तुमचो मनाचो पूल कंप्लीट जाला फॉर नाव. मांडवी पुली बेगीन कंप्लीट जावंकूच जाय पण मनाची एटलीस्ट परवरी आणि पणजे मदीं एक पूल बांदून तयार जाला सध्या
जावचेच पडटा आणि तो पूल असो जाला की आय थिंक इट्स
घट्टा
स्ट्रॉंग बेज
घट्ट आसा हालना
हालचो ना.